Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So just kicking off on the weekly to start the week. As you can see, we do have this inside bar hanging man underneath the moving average, well, the fast moving averages, but in between the fast moving averages and the 155 EMA. So still stuck in a range. I think we are still really building up some momentum at the moment, either for a rejection here or a move down. This is not clear yet, and I think we do need to still be a little bit cautious. So if we start moving through the time frames, and I think that's from an intraday perspective, there's more than enough trades available. And let's have a look at what happened last week. Consolidation, then drop off, came down pretty much to the next major level, which was the swing high here at 38.87, and then we got an inside bar there late in the week, ready for a move to the upside. If we start getting down into the 3-hour time frames, you'll see we are, well, we did a bit of chaos here, and basically forced me to stay out of the market on Friday, and that's typically what happens. But at this stage, what we can do is move this up to there, because that is the next structure that we have in place. And if you look at the oscillators moving up to the upside, we've got a crossover here back to the upside again. So it's still really volatile, above and below the moving averages on the higher time frames. Nothing really there that indicates a long-term trend. If we look at the hour, you can see pretty strong consolidation in the morning session. Then at the US Open, we just ran away. So we are above the moving averages. I'm looking for longs. That's just the way it is. But you've got quite a bit of structure to the left here. So this is the first bit. And then this is the most logical bit, which I would prefer. We are overbought on the oscillators at the moment on the hour, so I'd be a little bit cautious. We've got a gap to the downside here as well. So 15 minutes it is. And have a look at the gap, have a look at the structure lower down, and there's nothing in between. So any kind of pullback back into this level here, which is 39.43 and 39.38, is a buying opportunity. Alternatively, what we are looking at is a range here, so strong move up range. Wait for the oscillators to ease off. They should ease off by this morning, I think, at least before the open of the US, well, before the US Open, and then we would look for a range break and retest trade as well. So let's get that in. So that's what it is at the moment, but it might just swing higher. So whatever that range break is, you are looking for 4,000. Don't even have to debate that. There we go. So target is 4,000. So two trades. One, we pull back down to here at 39.38 or 39.43. We pull down to that area. We get some price action there, inside bars, engulfing bars or pin bars. And then we're looking for a move up. Should get through the structure and then on to 4,000. Alternatively, we're going to range here, break to the upside, come back and test, and move up, or we're going to clear break without a retest, test 4,000, then come back, and that's going to be the entry on whatever structure, and that structure should be down here, and that is around 39.75 at the moment, but you do have this weekly level at 39.80, which could also offer a little bit of better support once it breaks up. So that's kind of my view at the moment. We are looking for longs, and that's just based on what we're seeing at the moment. 8 hour is in an upward trend. It's messy, but it is in an upward trend. So that's what we're looking for this morning. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.